Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Mixed Info videos and let me show you how to create a YouTube brand account and how to rename your brand account name. So, let's begin with creating a brand account for your YouTube. Firstly, you need to log on to YouTube with your Gmail ID, like how I have logged on here. And the first step for creating a brand account is you may go to www.youtube.com/account. And then you'll land to this page for your account and you'll see something like this. And there's an option to create a new channel. Click on it. And it will ask you to name the brand account for the channel. So I'm going to type in Pursuit of Better World _ channel. Right now the main name of my account is Pursuit of Better World, so this is just to create a differentiation. So I have just put in _ channel and then click on create. Alright, so you'll be redirected to the new brand account channel that you have just created. Here, and the next step is click on that profile icon again. And then there's an option called switch account. So click on it and go back to your main account. Alright, so once you are on the main account, go to www.youtube.com/account again. And once you are on this account page, on the left hand side, you'll see something as advanced settings on the left hand side. So click on it. Alright, now on this advanced settings page, scroll down a bit and there is an option called move channel to brand account. So click on it. Alright, so it is asking me to verify my account, so I'm saying yes. This is just for security purposes by Google. So I'm clicking on verify on the mobile and it is verified now. Alright, so once you have verified your account, you'll land to this page and you'll see the old video with my main account, and then below you have the new brand account that you have created. So click on it and then you'll see a pop-up which says your brand account is already connected to another YouTube channel. If you move your channel to brand account, the current connected channel will be deleted. Alright, so click on delete channel and click on move channel, and on this pop-up again click on move channel. Alright, now you'll be on the page. It says your YouTube channel has been successfully moved. Okay. Alright, so that's how you create a brand account. And for those who already have a brand account, let me show you how to change the name. So click on your brand account profile and go to switch account. And go to account section, or you can go to youtube.com/account and you land to that page, and then there's something called as edit on Google. Click on it. Alright, so within basic info on this page, just beside your brand name there's an arrow. Click on it and you can click on the edit button to rename your brand account name. So let me change it to Pursuit of Better World and remove that underscore. So click on save. Alright, so the name of the brand account has been changed now. So you can see it here. It is Pursuit of Better World _ channel. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.